this recipe, you'll need about a half to a pound of ground beef, some chopped onion to your taste, garlic. You'll need about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. You'll need a jar of spaghetti sauce, some rigatoni or pasta of your favorite, cooked and drained. You'll need about a cup to a cup and a half, or however much cheese you like, of mozzarella cheese, and some grated Parmesan cheese over the top. You'll want to brown your ground beef with the onion and garlic, salt and pepper. And I also use some seasoned salt, so you can brown it however you like to brown it. After your meat's brown, you'll want to drain it. And once it's drained, you'll want to add it back into your pan. And you want to use a large skillet. Now you'll want to add in your spaghetti sauce and your Italian seasoning and cook until heated through, about 5 to 8 minutes. I do add a little water to my jar and shake it up just to get all that sauce I can get. Now you'll want to add in your cooked pasta. I thought my camera was on, but it wasn't. And you want to give it a good stir and a good mix. And you want to cover it and let it cook about, I'd say about 5 to 8 minutes until it gets thick. Now I added a lot of the pasta water with mine. I like that flavor. So I had to let mine cook a while, but you can completely drain your pasta and you won't have to worry about that. Next, you'll want to top it with your mozzarella cheese. Now just grate that Parmesan cheese over the top. It adds so much flavor. And you'll want to cover your skillet and let it melt for a couple of minutes. You want to do this while it's on low. Now my stove is an electric stove, so I can cut my eye off and it'll melt. But you do whatever works for you. And here it is. It is so good. It was so delicious. My husband said it's definitely a keeper. So I think we'll be having this again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.